In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and integrate Trello with Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into Hubspot and then click onto this store icon or marketplace icon. So proceed to click on this, click on Hubspot Marketplace, and this will redirect you to the marketplace itself. Onto the search bar, click on this, and proceed to search for Trello. You can see this tray here, Trello app by Trello, so proceed to click on this one. Don't worry because this is already a good application and certified as well. So do take note that this requires Trello subscription, so for this case, click on Install. It will open right here, this particular window. Scroll down, and then under this case, click on Log In. And you just need to authorize the Trello and Hubspot integration by logging in with your Atlassian account. In this case, proceed to log in into your account, and once you do, you should be able to actually integrate Trello and Hubspot together. After you've done that, you should be able to successfully connect Trello with Hubspot. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Hubspot integrations, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.